Welcome students. Good morning. Today we are starting our study with English subject. Here lesson number 4. Unit number 2 means 2.4 magic seeds. We can see here a poem. Okay, poem's name is Magic Seeds. Now it's your textbook page. You have to open your book and page number 19. Okay. So we will see this poem one by one stanza. Here, first stanza. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. Okay, what is here? Here, the poet found a little seed. Okay, seed means beej. The poet found a tiny little seed and he planted this seed outside the house. And after some days, it started to grow up tall and wide. Okay? इस स्टांजा में पोएट हमें बता रहा है कि उसे एक सीड्स मीन्स बीज मिला जो उसने उसके घर के आगे लगा दिया. एंड देन कुछ ही दिनों में क्या हुआ? टू ग्रो अप टॉल एंड वाइड. वो जो बीज था वो बढ़ने लगा. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. सेकंड स्टांजा. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I am not sure what is it yet. Apples, peas or figs. Now poet says that it sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. Means this seed sprouted leaves. जो सीड्स था उसे क्या हुआ? लीव्स आने लगे मीन्स पत्ते आने लगे. एंड सून became quite big. It's became quite big. It's grown up. बढ़ने लगा है वो. And then the poet says that he's not sure what is it yet. Apple, peas or fig. मीन्स अभी तक उसे मालूम नहीं कि वो कौन सा पेड़ है. It's apple or a peas or a fig. Okay. Now we'll see the third stanza. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own my own completely special something or other tree. Now the poet says that no matter how it's turned out, means वो कह रहे हैं कि कौन सा है वो पेड़ उससे कुछ मैटर नहीं है. आई नो दैट इट विल बी माई ओन कम्प्लीटली स्पेशल. मतलब जो भी मैंने सीड लगाई है वो मेरे लिए क्या है? स्पेशल समथिंग और अदर ट्री. मीन्स किस चीज़ से या फिर दूसरे पेड़ों से वो मेरे लिए कैसा है? स्पेशल. इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली स्पेशल फॉर मी. द पोएट टेल्स अस दैट no matter of it that what is it, but it's completely special for me than other tree or other some things. ओके, अदर चीज़ों से या फिर दूसरे ट्रीज से वो मेरे लिए कैसा है? स्पेशल है. ओके, सो वी विल सी एंड सिंग दिस पोएम. यू ऑल्सो रिसाइट विथ मी. ओके, मेरे साथ आपको भी ये बोलना है. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I am not sure what it is yet. Apples, peas or figs. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Okay, now you learn this poem and write it in your notebook. Here are some words. First word is magic. MAGIC, magic. Then seed. SEED, seed. Then found. Okay, now it's found word. FOUND, found. Now then sprouted. SPROUTED, sprouted. Next word is planted. PLANTED, planted. Then grow. GROW, grow. Leaves. LEAVES, leaves. Then outside. OUTSIDE, outside. Then PEAS, peas. PEAS, peas. FIGS, figs. Last second word is yours, special. SPECIAL, special. Then everywhere. EVERYWHERE, everywhere. Okay. Now today we have learned that how the seeds convert into tree with the help of this poem. In this poem, the poet says that how it's turned into a tree, how the seed turn into a tree. Okay, so now your homework is write given new words 5 times. Which words we read, you have to write this in your notebook 5 times. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.